17 phrasal verbs with come. Come across. To meet or find someone or something by chance. I came across an old photo album while cleaning out my closet. Come along. To make progress or advance. How is your project coming along? Come apart. To separate into pieces or fall apart. The old book started to come apart at the spine. Come around. To change one's opinion or attitude. After hearing both sides of the argument, I eventually came around to your point of view. Come at. To approach someone or something aggressively. The dog came at me, but I managed to scare it off. Come back. To return to a place or person. When are you coming back from your vacation? Come by. To obtain or acquire something. I managed to come by some tickets to the concert. Come down. To decrease or become less severe. The fever finally came down after a few days. Come forward. To volunteer or offer information. The witness came forward with valuable information about the crime. Come in. To enter a place or building. Please come in and make yourself at home. Come into. To inherit or receive something. She came into a large sum of money when her grandfather passed away. Come off. To succeed or be successful. The concert came off without a hitch. Come on. To hurry up or make progress. Come on, we're going to be late. Come out. To be released or become public. When is that new book coming out? Come over. To visit someone at their home. Why don't you come over for dinner tonight? Come up. To arise or occur. I'm going to be late tonight, something's come up at work. Come to. To regain consciousness or become aware of something. After being knocked out, he finally came to.